স মায়াং ভগিন্নন্তু লভং পুত্রঞ্চ কন্যাকম নিষ্কৃতাম জনয়ামাসো তয় ক্রোধ সুতো ভবৎ। ওই নো দ্য অধর্ম, মিথ্যা and Dambhu. Then they born a daughter. The name of that daughter is Maya. Maya's father's name is Adharma and mother's name is Mithya. Then Maya and Dambhu married each other. Their brother, and they married each other, and Naiditi, that is the name Naiditi, that Naiditi take that Maya and Dambhu, and when he take Maya and Dambhu gives a son. The name of that son is Lobh. The world knows it as a Lobh, and they produce a daughter, that is Kanna. Her name is Shatota. So we understand that Maya's and Dambhu's son is Lobh and daughter is Shato.